Hey Heather, I found this new way of folding jeans or pants that I thought you might think is cool. So you fold them over that way. You fold them each leg up so it's in line. You open the pocket to the where your butt sits. Fold the leg up inside of it. Straighten it out and then you just grab right here in the middle. Flip it over and then it's like in its nice own little pocket. And I found if you alternate waistband sides, which side is up, this is waistband, this is waistband, then they stack really nice. They don't one won't fall apart as you're taking the other one off. Pretty cool. And it looks pretty neat. I'll show you what it looks like in my closet. So there they are up in the closet, all nice and neat. I just like that they don't fall apart when you grab a pair. If you're grabbing a pair that's farther down the stack. Anyway, thought you might like that. Here's kind of the top view, Heather, so you can kind of see how it's done.